Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussing exception handling in Java. An exception is an unwanted or unexpected event which occurs during the execution of a program, that is at runtime, that disturbs normal flow of a program. So this is a basic definition of an exception. We also call exception handling as an unexpected situation. Now we will discuss one simple example. Here this is a class. The name of class is test. This is a main method, that is public static void main, and here you can see these are the printf statements, or we can say the display statements, which are displaying certain values. So first value is 1, second value is 2, and third value is 100 divided by 0. So this is a kind of exception, 100 divided by 0, that is you cannot divide any number by 0, and then next statement is 3. So in this case this program will be executed, but it will get interrupted at this line, that is where we have to display this 100 divided by 0. So the output will be, first statement will be executed, then second statement will be displayed, that is 1 and 2 will be displayed, and then next will be arithmetic exception, and the remaining statements followed by this statement will not be executed. That's why we call it as an exception. It causes the normal flow of program to be disturbed and the remaining program statements will not be executed. So I hope the concept of exception is clear to you. Now we are discussing how to handle this situation, how to handle the exception so that it will not cause your program to be disturbed and the normal flow of program should be continued. Uncaught exception is caused by caught by default handler. So JVM provides a default handler which caught this uncaught exception and display the whatever exception message is there, that will be displayed in the output prompt. Now we will discuss how to catch this exception. Java provides a try catch block where we have to handle this exception. The syntax of try catch block is, try is a keyword in Java, so try, and in this block, that is in curly opening and closing braces, you have to write the code which is at a risk of having an exception, and this catch statement includes exception class name and the reference variable name, and here you have to write the handling code. So this is a basic syntax of try catch block. Now we will discuss one example of try catch block. So here is a simple class. The name of class is test. This is a public static void main, that is a main method. Here in try block we have written certain statements. This is integer type of variable a with value 100, variable b with value 0, and variable c. Now we are writing c equal to a divided by 0. So basically we are trying to divide a number by 0, and it is practically impossible to divide any number by 0. So it will give you an arithmetic exception. There are various kinds of exception, or we can say various categories of exception in Java. For example, this a divided by b, that is any number divided by 0, comes in the category of arithmetic exception, which is name of the class, that is arithmetic exception, and this is an object of this class. Now if you don't know what kind of exception may occur in this try block, you can write simply exception, because exception is a super class of all these subclasses. That's why if you are not sure about what kind of exception may occur, you can use this exception class. Now in this block you can write whatever you have to print. I have to print that you cannot divide by 0. So I have written a simple statement, you cannot divide by 0. This is the closing bracket of this catch, and then this is closing bracket of class and end of the program. So this is how you have to use the try catch block, and whenever we execute this program, this statement will be executed, that is you cannot divide by 0. And if you are writing any other number than 0 here, it will simply display the output, that is value of c, and this block will not be executed. So this is a basic concept of exception handling. So what do you mean by exception in Java? Exception is an unwanted situation which disturb normal flow of a program. So there is a need of handling this exception, and handling the exception is nothing but exception handling, and there are various mechanisms of handling exception. We need to put the code in a try block, and the if exception occur, that will be caught in the catch block. So this is a simple idea behind exception handling that we discuss in this video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos on this topic.